What's the meaning of Conway Twitty? Conway Twitty. Conway Twitty.
Conway Twitty. Conway Twitty. Conway Twitty was an American country music legend who enjoyed a successful career spanning several decades. Born Harold Lloyd Jenkins in 1933, Twitty adopted his stage name as a nod to two towns he had driven through in Arkansas, Conway and Twitty. He first rose to fame in the 1950s and continued to produce hit songs and albums until his death in 1993. With over 50 #1 hits in his career, Twitty remains one of the most iconic and influential figures in the history of country music.